freshwater clams a la Kate.
Mm-hmm.
And her chopsticks of wonder, that's down. This guy, yeah, you
Down,
can actually
down.
see if you can just grab him by the, yeah, just right out of that shell.
It's very hot.
Yep. That seems to be the huge. Wow. Cell phone started to catch on fire.
It's really fucking hot. Ah! Turn the stove down. Oh. Why
Don't
would
touch
you
that.
do that?
Sing the
Here. We'll eat it au naturel.
So, freshwater clams. We decided to go ahead and catch a bunch and eat. After we tried to Google and I have no signal, we went ahead with the process anyway, which is always a good idea.
I'm gonna have to take off my sweater. Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Shit.
There are a couple down there that are opening. You see them open?
Yeah.
Alright, let's let them roast a little bit. Get some flavor in them. Maybe kill the worms that are inside of them.
No, there's no parasites.
There was a little wormy on one of them.
Oh, well, I mean, you digest worms. That's
I don't
Kate.
want to.
I don't want to, but you have to. I did it. Tastes like nothing. Yeah?
It doesn't taste like much.
Yeah,
It tastes like campfire.
Or at least you just got smoked.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, because mine just tasted like water.
This one's like burnt.
Yeah.
It's like a crispy clam. Meow! I was just gonna eat it off the stick. Good?
Good. I think I can sustain life off of that
Oh yeah.
for 12 minutes.
Good, this is lunch.
That was like 6 calories.
That was not 6 calories.
Might have been. I don't know how many it takes to heal a burn on your 2 fingers, but...
I can't feel my fingers anymore, so that's good.
All right.
What about this guy?
That was basically our conclusion to freshwater clams. They are edible, not too good, and if we end up in the hospital, we will have something to Google about.
Bye, Mom. I love you.